welcome back to my channel where we talk about family, beauty, and everything else in between. So I know last video I said my next video was going to be my gender reveal vlog. Well, I got a package today and I decided I wanted to unbox it for you guys. And I guess this will be my next video, and then on the weekend I'm doing my gender reveal. I'm sorry if the camera moves. My son's playing right now. You hear any music in the background? It's the TV. He's watching some like sand show. He watches Lady First TV, and then he has little toys down there. So yeah, I got a box from Love Planet Beauty, and this is from Influenster. I got this for free from Influencer for testing purposes. It was complimentary from Influencer. I don't know if you that in anything that I say about this box. Ooh, it's hard to open. Okay, I got it. Alright, so that's what it looks like inside. Whoa. Alright, so I got 3 things. I got a little card with it. It says, Love, Beauty, and Planet started with one goal: to make you feel beautiful and give a little love to our planet. We want to help make a little difference towards a happier, less wasteful planet with every shower. Our approach is a holistic one, encompassing the entire product life cycle and beyond. We're giving careful thought to our ingredients, product, packaging, and social partnership. We call it our passionate journey of #small acts of love. And we're just getting started. Find out how at www.lovebeautyandplanet.com. Influencer. So I got their new charcoal and bergamot. I cannot pronounce that collection. I got the Delightful Detox Sulfate-Free Shampoo, Delightful Detox Conditioner, and Delightful Detox Shampoo Scrub. Ooh, okay. So this is the Detox Scrub. With natural coconut husk, exfoliating for scalp care and acts of love for our planet. So you use this 1 time a week. Instead of using shampoo, you use this to, I guess, to clarify the scalp in case you have any buildup of like product or dirt or anything. So their charcoal, I guess, is made with bamboo. Safe for colored hair, cruelty-free, vegan with plant-based cleansers, formulated without phthalates, I cannot pronounce that word, sulfate cleansers, no dyes, no guilt. I'll smell that. Ooh, okay, it's kind of messy. It didn't come with a seal. Oh, it smells good. It smells really flowery, but like it also has like a hint of coconut. It smells good though. And then I guess this is the sulfate-free shampoo and the hair conditioner. I'm guessing they smell like this one. But I'm not sure because the other one has like coconut husk in it. Well, I'm gonna open this really quick so I can smell it. And it did come with like plastic over it in case of any spillage during delivery. Say goodbye to buildup. This shampoo infuses the charcoal known for its detoxifying properties, removes excess oil, excess dirt and oil, leaving hair and scalp ultra clean. The precious scent of bergamot will leave you feeling uplifted. I guess bergamot is this little like flower thing. It kind of smells like a little bit like a jasmine flower, but it's not like too strong. It smells really good. I love it. I'm gonna try this out and see what I think of it. If you guys would like to follow me on Influenster, I have a link down in the description so you guys can follow me. You guys will be able to see my review on this. Also, please check out my social medias, Instagram and Facebook. I do have a Poshmark store, so if you are interested in Poshmark, please go ahead and use my code, which will be down below. You get $5 off your first purchase, and I believe that's it. Alright, well, I'll see you guys in my next video, which I guess this time will actually be the gender reveal. So, sorry, my son's over here trying to get down from the couch. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends and family. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!